Is this the bravest or the most reckless driver in the world? You're about to watch a 25-ton truck take on a bridge held together by little more than nerve and old cables.
Evet arkadaşlar, 25 tonla Halat Köprü'den geçiyoruz şu anda.